Imagine standing at the edge of adventure, ready to capture every second of it. That's where the DJI Osmo Action 6 comes in. This isn't just another camera. It's being teased as a game changer. A device built to capture adrenaline-filled moments with unmatched detail. DJI is setting the stage for something far bigger than a simple upgrade. The Osmo Action 6 is positioned as a major leap forward, not just a refresh. And that's what makes it so exciting. Now, the timing is what really grabs attention. The Action 6 is arriving only 3 months after the launch of the Action 5 Pro. At first, that might sound too soon, but it's actually a smart and strategic move. GoPro has been losing ground in the market, while Insta360 is pushing hard with rapid innovations. DJI has spotted an opportunity to strike while the competition is unsteady. By releasing the powerful models in a single year, DJI is making it clear that they want to dominate the action camera space before anyone else can react. At the heart of the Osmo Action 6 lies its biggest rumored upgrade, a 1-inch sensor. This is a huge step for action cameras. A larger sensor means better performance in low light, deeper colors, wider dynamic range, and that cinematic look creators dream of. It's the difference between footage that feels ordinary and footage that feels like it belongs in a film, but DJI isn't stopping there. The Action 6 is expected to push the boundaries of resolution with 8K video recording. If true, it would be the first compact action camera to achieve this. Imagine the freedom to crop, reframe, and stabilize your shots without losing detail. Alongside 8K, it's also rumored to support 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second. That means slow-motion content with incredible clarity and smoothness. Of course, high resolution is nothing without stability, and that's where DJI's RockSteady 4.0 comes in. This upgraded stabilization system could combine advanced gyro data with AI-driven horizon leveling. Whether you're running, biking, or flying through the air, the footage will look smooth, almost like it was shot with a gimbal. What makes it even more exciting is the possibility that this system can adapt in real time, adjusting to your movements and environment instantly. Another leak points to smartwatch integration. For the first time, you might be able to control the Action 6 directly from your wrist, using devices like the Apple Watch or Garmin. Recording, changing modes, or even checking speed and altitude could all be done without touching the camera itself. Connectivity is also getting a big upgrade, with Bluetooth 5.1, dual-band Wi-Fi, and even whispers of satellite support. The Action 6 could allow for faster transfers, remote control, and maybe even live streaming from almost anywhere. Battery life has always been critical for creators, and DJI seems to have thought of that too. Reports suggest the battery options, a standard 1770 mAh and a larger 1950 mAh version. Combined with a more efficient processor, these could push shooting time past 3 hours. A record for an action camera of this size. And when it comes to design, DJI is expected to stick with its rugged approach. Waterproof without a case, shock-proof build, and improved thermal control for long sessions are all part of the package. Add in a redesigned lens mount, faster filter swapping, and modular accessories, and the Action 6 is shaping up to be both powerful and practical. The real power of the Osmo Action 6 might not just come from its features, but from the ecosystem DJI is building around it. DJI already dominates the drone market, and it has a strong presence with handheld gimbals. Now, by pushing the Action series forward, the company is creating a connected network of tools that all work together. Imagine flying a DJI drone in the sky, holding a Ronin gimbal on the ground, and wearing the Osmo Action 6 on your helmet. All of these devices could be controlled and synchronized through one app. That kind of integration is more than just convenience. It's a complete workflow designed for creators who want to capture every angle without wasting time. This strategy is what sets DJI apart from GoPro and Insta360. While competitors focus on single products, DJI is aiming to build an entire ecosystem. For creators, that means seamless control, faster production, and fewer obstacles. It's a bold move, and it shows that DJI isn't just thinking about cameras. It's thinking about the future of creative storytelling. Another area where the Osmo Action 6 could shine is software. DJI is rumored to be adding deeper AI-powered tools that go far beyond what we've seen before. Imagine finishing a shoot and having the camera automatically detect the best highlights. The system could then generate short edits that are ready to share on social platforms, saving creators hours of work. But it doesn't stop there. The Action 6 might also sync footage across multiple DJI devices without any manual steps. Whether it's clips from a drone, a gimbal, or the Action camera itself, everything could come together instantly. That kind of automation would transform the editing process, especially for creators who work on the move. There are also whispers of extra features like our overlays through the DJI app, magnetic lens mods for quick changes, and even voice-activated remote controls. If these rumors prove true, the Osmo Action 6 would feel less like a single gadget and more like part of a full production studio. It would take the role of an action camera to an entirely new level. So when can we expect to see the Osmo Action 6, and how much will it cost? While DJI hasn't made anything official yet, multiple filings and leaks suggest that the launch could happen before the end of 2025. Some even believe it might arrive just in time for the holiday season, which would make perfect sense for a product aimed at travelers, adventurers, and creators. As for the price, the Action 6 is expected to fall somewhere between $449 and $499. That places it slightly above the Action 5 Pro, but still competitive when compared to GoPro's flagship models. And if the leaked features are accurate, 8,000 recording, a 1-inch sensor, advanced stabilization, and AI integration, then that price looks more than reasonable. It could deliver a level of performance that makes it feel like a bargain for serious creators. The Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be more than just another action camera. DJI isn't only competing with GoPro or Insta360, it's building something bigger. With a 1-inch sensor, 8K recording, smartwatch control, and AI-powered tools, this device could blur the line between a simple action camera and a full production studio. This strategy shows DJI's long-term vision. The company wants to create an ecosystem where drones, gimbals, and action cameras all work together. For creators, that means one app, one workflow, and a set of tools that cover every angle of storytelling. No other brand in this space has the same infrastructure, and that gives DJI a serious advantage. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the Action 6 could redefine what an action camera is capable of. It might not just raise the bar, it could change the entire industry. And for creators, athletes, and adventurers, this marks the beginning of a new era of filmmaking.